Hi Spartans, the purpose of this video is to show you how to log into Myon, the features of Myon, and how to complete a book on Myon to make the book count toward our goal of reading 15,000 books this year. We have a goal of reaching 15,000 books by the end of the school year. We are also having a challenge that is going on right now that we need to get started on right now. It officially begins on January 1st, so it depends on when you're watching this video. And it is the Chick-fil-A Winter Reading Challenge. And basically, we are competing against other middle schools and elementary schools to get the most Myon books read, AR tests taken, and Beanstack minutes logged. So what I need to show you all today is a little issue that I've been noticing on Myon, which is that the books are not getting completely finished. And I will show you how to check on that as well. So we will start off by going to the Classlink Portal and logging into the Classlink Portal. And as a student, you will have an app called Myon. If you don't see it right away, you can always start typing M-Y-O-N at the top, and it will be a purple M that pops up. I don't have one since I don't have a student account, but you will. So you will click on the Myon app from here, and it will automatically take you to a page that looks something like this. Okay, so Myon, just a real brief overview, because I know a lot of you already know this, but Myon has a lot of books. It tells us we have 6,738 books on here. They are genreified, or you can search by topic. So if I wanted to find like a Christmas book or a book about possums or something like that, I could. Or I could just browse these topics. So I'm going to look at some animals, insects and bugs. Okay. And then the great part about this site is that it reads the books to you. So all I have to do is click read, and it'll usually say read this book. Since I started this book, it's asking me if I want to continue. When you open the book, this is what you'll see. This is the interface that you'll see. There's some really great options, such as the dictionary tool. So you can click on any word and it will give you the definition, and it also reads the entire book to you. So those are some great features about Myon, and you can also read, your entire class can read the same book at the same time. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the end of this book. What I need to make sure everybody understands is that in order for our books on Myon to count as being read, I need to see this page at the end. Okay, I should have 2 check marks, and then it should have a blue button that says, I have finished this book. Okay, this book does not count until I click that. All right, now your Myon might look a tiny bit different than mine, but you can check to make sure that the book counted by going to your account at the top and looking at your activity. So what I need to be able to see on my activity is this little, right here where it says finished, it needs to have a little picture of the book, and it says fin, meaning end. Okay, so you can see that I have 18 books that I have started, but I've only finished 5. Okay, so that is kind of the problem that I am seeing on Myon, is that we've read a lot of books. We've read about, let me go ahead and pull up this report while I'm talking. We have read just under 4,000 books as a school, which that's good. However, that's only a fraction of how many books have been looked at on Myon. So this is how many books have been opened and started on Myon. So over 9,000 books, but we've only finished about 4,000 books. So in order for us to be able to reach our goal of 15,000 Myon books by the end of the school year. And in order for us to be able to compete January 1st through January 31st, we all need to make sure that we are reading our Myon books all the way until the end, all the way until we see the finish this book button at the end. Okay, so we need to be reading these books. Myon also has a great option for us to take an AR test built in. And we need to be logging the minutes on Beanstack because the competition is who can have the most Beanstack minutes and who can have the most AR points. Okay, so you'll see that there's a AR quiz button built into Myon that will automatically take you where you need to go. Please let me know if you have any questions, but go ahead and begin utilizing Myon and making sure that you complete the books all the way through so that those books count toward our goal. Thank you very much.